Welcome back to an informative session of Let's Build. This video will definitely be a better choice for all who is eager to know about the account setup in Google Pay. I will guide you clearly with a couple of steps. Nowadays, GPay become an inevitable choice while on shopping or purchases. Now let me tell me about GPay. Google Pay, stylized as GPay, is a digital wallet platform and online payment system developed by Google to power an app, online and in-person contactless purchases on mobile devices, enabling users to make payments with Android phones, tablets, etc. In addition to this, the service also supports passes such as coupons, boarding passes, campus ID cards, car keys, event tickets, movie tickets, public transportation tickets, store cards, and loyalty cards. Through this Google app, you can simply send and receive money to anyone using a mobile. You just need to enter the amount and tap Pay to make payments. By simply installing this app, you can do online shopping, mobile recharge, and a lot more stuff in no time with Google Pay. And now, let me tell you the 3 things which are necessary to have a Google Pay account. First one is you must have a bank account, and second, your mobile number must be linked with your account number, and third, you must have an ATM or debit card. And so, are you ready to open your Google Pay account? Simply following a couple of steps will lead you to set up your Google Pay account. Now, I detail the steps to open a Google Pay account. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store and download the Google Pay app. And click Open. Step 2. Enter your phone number registered with a bank account. Allow your SMS, contacts and location. Step 3. After that, it will automatically dictate your email ID. Click on Continue. And moving on to step 4. A one-time password OTP will be sent to your mobile number. Let the app access it manually. Step 5. After that, you have to choose the screen lock or you can create a Google PIN. Select the option and click on Continue. Step 6. Set up your Google PIN or mobile screen lock. And now, your Google Pay account has been created successfully. And for your information, next video will be how to link bank account in Google Pay. We'll be back with the video soon. Thanks for watching.